Connect one dot with another. Draw a line. Create a plane. Beyond the boundaries of time and space, you and I become we. Our future is a beautiful image. Love you, BTS. Mwah.
You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone.
Hello Ami, hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Niharika and welcome to my videos. And today we are reacting to Dynamite. As you know, yesterday BTS teaser of Dynamite has come. Yes! Yes! It's come and it's really amazing. All are looking amazing, mind-blowing, mind-blasting, hot, like sexy. It's like a word, but you know, I really love all of them. All are looking very amazing, very cool, everything. As you know, their Dynamite teaser photos also come, their group photos also come, and now yesterday and their teasers come. It's really good actually to see the teaser. Yesterday actually I see lots of time, like everywhere in Bieber's YouTube, like every both of their channels, and Weverse also, and everything, like everywhere I see. Wherever I want to see it, actually it's everywhere. So I see everywhere the teaser, and it's really cool to see them. I can't like take my eyes off actually. Like I am looking, I just looked like when I was looking, like my mouth was open, like oh my god, like something like this. It's really cool actually. I really love all of them, and I really love, and I thought I will give my reaction to the teaser because I really love it. And they're looking amazing, mind-blowing, mind-blasting. We looking amazing, handsome. As you know, he's a very handsome, very attractive Jimin, which I really love him a lot, and he's looking amazing, mind-blasting, mind-blowing, amazing. And Jay was also looking very handsome, very amazing. JK was also amazing, mind blasting. RM also looking very best. His hair colors also looks very cute, and everyone's actually hair colors look very amazing on them, and how they wear the clothes also in this teaser. It's really cool. I love all of them. Jin is also the world by handsome, so he looks like mind-blowing, mind-blasting. Suga also look very amazing, mind-blasting, handsome. I just love all of them actually. It's really cool. I like very yesterday I was very excited to see it. I just looking everywhere. If someone's giving reaction to Dynamite teaser also, I was looking like that, like I just can't take my eyes off there because it's really cool, and they were looking amazing actually. So let's start the teaser. Like it's so cute. I really love it. Oh my god, I can't. Like I just really love it. Yesterday, as I told you, I see every time, but like every time I watch, my reactions are really amazing, and it's really cool to see them. So let me start the like video again. I really love it. Like I just want to see this every time, every hour, every minute. Actually, it's really amazing. And when Jimin's too like this, it's really cool. We also looking very cute. Then actually when he comes, actually he looks like a very baby with caps and all. It's looking very amazing. So let's start. It's really cool. They're looking very amazing, mind-blowing, mind-blasting, amazing, wonderful actually. It's really cool. So let's start again. I really love it. I just see every time actually. This video can be very long because I really love it. I'm looking at like every day, like every time actually. I can't take my eyes off. It's really cool. Yes. So let's start again. Yes, like this actually. It's really cool to see them actually. Like RM glass, it's really cool. It's looking very sweet. Jake is also very sweet, and Hobie is also very like sunshine. It's really cool to see them. And Jin's also, and V is also looking very sweet. It's looking like a baby but handsome, mind blowing. And Sugar, it's like, oh god, it's looking very sweet. Like all of them looking very amazing. He's looking amazing. He look mind blasting actually. Like amazing, mind blasting. It's looking amazing. So let's start. I love him. Disco. Amazing. It's mind blasting. Are looking very handsome, mind blowing actually. They're looking amazing. V's green outfit, the coat, and it's very handsome. And Jimin's like Gucci's jacket and the jeans is looking very handsome. And Jin also looking very handsome. The like light brown and the dark brown colors is looking very good. And Jake is also looking very sweet actually, and Hobie is looking very amazing, and Sugar is also very cute actually, very handsome with his coat, jacket, shorts, and like this. And RM is also looking very sweet. He's like it's amazing, and you can see it's like writing like a disco. So because of then the disco it comes again, and the disco feeling, it's really cool. We like, whoa, disco. It's really cool to see them. It's really cool, all looking amazing, mind blowing, mind blasting. I really love them a lot. And the Dynamite, 21st August is coming, and in Korean time it's coming on 1 o'clock, on east side, like it's coming on 12 o'clock. It's really amazing, mind blowing. I really love it. Can't wait to see them. And the Dynamite, actually a few people actually, I see the reactions of first with the photos when the Dynamite things come, the name, you can see the colors of Dynamite. So people were like D, like it's red, so it's like a Hobie, because their mic's colors are the same, like D, Hobie. Blue is RM, pink is Jin's, green is B's, purple is purple is I purple you, so it's JK's, and it's orange. So I don't know the orange one because no one has the orange, but I don't know. But T is Sugar's, and E is the gold is the Jimin. So it's like the colors, but I don't know it's truth or not, but it's going on like that. And I'm really excited to see the teaser, and I can't wait for 21st August to see them. They're like video, their MV, it's really cool. I see all of them. V Live actually, I give all like comment also that I really love you a lot, and can't wait to see you. And today actually, as you know, V's also do a post actually, and he said that just posted like what is your hobby and what is you want to, so he will tell what his job is. And I do a lot, I do also, and I written also that I really want to come. I don't come to your concerts, but because it was not in India, but and it's really the out of the country. It's like in Korea or in Japan or in America, like lots of countries, Paris. So I can't come, but I really I promised myself that I really want to see their concert, the first concert. I want to see them, and I really love to write the songs in like Hindi, English and Korean, the mixed things, and it's really amazing. I love the paintings, and I really love to love right now to study Korean also. It's really amazing. So that I can meet them, so I can talk to them. It's really cool. Actually, it's really cool, and I actually comments many times on Vboards and VB Live also. And when the Dynamite teaser also come, I actually comment all of like everywhere on YouTube, V Live, Vboards, everywhere. And I actually I comments many times, but it comments no one actually replied it. But on V Live 2 times actually Jimin's actually comments. Previous actually actually then they were on Busan's when like first time when they go to the Busan, when he actually sees, so he replied it. And the other one is when he and JK was on V Live doing the kimbap thing, so he actually replies it. And so I really feel really amazing that he replied it. So I will not take my hope actually really down that they were not replying it. They are replying it, but I will keep my hope a little bit like here. So sometimes like they will, that I can meet them and they can reply me. And I really love all of them actually. I really all of them, and can't wait to see them, their MVs. And actually yesterday also the Jimin's actually post 2 pics. He's looking amazing, mind blasting. I really love him. He was looking amazing. His specs also looking amazing. The cap actually has a cap, same cap actually, and same cap. And he's looking, the everything is like this. It's really amazing. And and I put both of pic on my home screen and the lock screen. And the home screen one is this picture. He's looking amazing, like it's looking amazing. And like the locks, it's this one, he's looking amazing. The cap, everything is looking very like amazing, mind blasting, like amazing. And he's looking very amazing. And so yes guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I purple you, we all purple you. Peace out. Annyeong. Annyeong. 사랑해요. 안녕. I hope you all having some fun, and be safe in COVID guys. So, and if you want to talk to me, please DM me and follow me and subscribe to my channels, and I will talk to you and I will reply you. So thank you so much guys. I love you. Bye. 안녕. 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 Bye BTS. 안녕.